Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable full screen photo for caller ID on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Contacts app on your Samsung phone. Now just select the contact for which you want to create a caller ID. For example, I will select this contact. Just tap on Edit at the bottom row on the screen. Then tap on Create Profile Card. Now if you tap on Gallery, you can select a photo from the Gallery app on your Samsung phone to set it as the photo for your caller ID, or you can select any color gradient from the presets available over here. Now, for example, I will select this one. Now, just tap on OK. Now, if you tap on text, you can customize the name which will appear on your caller ID. As you can see, you can change the font, and also you can increase or decrease the thickness of the font. Now, once you're satisfied with your edit, then tap on Done. And once you do that, you will create a full screen photo for the caller ID which you have selected. And now just tap on Save to save the changes. But if you want to set one photo for all the numbers at once, then go to the home screen. From here, just open the Dialer app. Then tap on the three dots over here and go to Settings. Now just tap on Call Background, and from here, just tap on Background. Now you can select a background from the featured ones over here, or you can tap on Gallery, and from here you can select a photo or video to set it as your full screen photo for the caller ID on your smartphone. Just like that. Now once you select your photo, then tap on Set as Call Background. And this is how you can enable full screen photo for caller ID on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.